Hi guys, today I am going to explain how to buy cryptocurrency. In cryptocurrency, there are three main steps. Two steps are discussed in previous lectures, but now we are going to explain third step, placing an order. You can place an order your brokers or exchange, web or mobile platform. If you are planning to buy cryptocurrency, you can do so by selecting buy. Choose the order type, entering the amount of cryptocurrencies you want to purchase and confirming the order. The same process applies to sell order. There are also other ways to invest in crypto. These include payment services like PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, which allows users to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrencies. In addition, there are the following investment vehicles. Bitcoin Trust. You can buy shares of Bitcoin Trust with a regular brokerage account. These vehicles give retail investors exposure to crypto through the stock market. Bitcoin Mutual Fund. There are Bitcoin ETFs or Bitcoin mutual funds to choose from, blockchain stocks or ETFs. You can also indirectly invest in cryptocurrency through blockchain companies that specialize in technology behind crypto and crypto transactions. Alternatively, you can buy stocks or ETFs of companies that use blockchain technology. The best option for you will depend on your investment goals and risk appetite. appetite. Today, our third step is completing how to order. Today, our lecture is ended. Goodbye, all students.